This is a package from Fair Radio Sales. Fair Radio Sales. They've been in Lima, Ohio for my entire life, I think. And they used to deal in military surplus electronics. Now I see they deal in military and commercial. They're very, look them up. They're also present on eBay, which is where this package came from. Or at least the facilitator for this package. Anyway, Fair Radio Sales. Wow. This is not what I expected it to be. This is a standard inductor. And looking at the photograph, it looked like it could be, you know, this big around, and these could be 3/4 inch banana jacks. A 10 millihenry coil. This thing's ridiculous. It's a ceramic multi-winding. Standard inductor, just what I need. So I'm guessing this is an 80-year-old standard inductor. What I really wanted to look at was these Watkin Johnson low frequency boards. Now, when I ordered these, or when I found these, I thought Fair Radio had a lot of them. Turns out they're sold out. But it did say there would be a schematic. And this is a WJ copy and schematic. So this is how they were shown on the eBay page. And you can see the ones I got have one transistor here, one transistor here, while the other ones had 2 transistors. So there was same schematic but a different layout. And it does say the board shipped will be similar to the picture and the schematic will match. So it's probably the same schematic, 2 different board layouts. And these boards, I guess I didn't print it. These were $10 a piece. I guess Fair Radio has something to say about it. Thank you for your purchase of my eBay items. And they gave me a receipt. two Watkin Johnson WJ mixer boards for $10 each, and a standard for $20. So this was $20. $9.50 shipping. Away we go. I have this package from, I guess, Amazon. Oh yeah, it's an Amazon package. This came in a bundle. That is, it came for one money. And what it is a DE 5000 meter. I saw somebody on YouTube saying this was a good device. Fairly big. This is a chunk of meter, I'll say that. Well, they are captive. I guess they are machine screws. There's metal inserts. Unwrap our battery here. There we go. Well, that's an impressive display. What else did we get with it? So we have accessories called a TL21, a TL22, and this is a TL23. So in any case, we have very short capacitance or inductance leads. We have a set of tweezers. This is sort of rubbery cable. So we can do in-circuit like squeeze or touch. And we have a guard cable. It fits both of them, either one. So let's just see what it says about our standard inductor here. All right. without reading the instruction manual, it reads 10.2, 10.3, depending on how you write it, millihenries, and that is what it was supposed to read. Is this all Chinese? Yes, the instruction manual is all Chinese. I've gone ahead and completed a calibration cycle. I hooked it back up. Anyway, this, as I say, was a kit. $147 on Amazon. Contained the 4 pieces you saw me unpack: the meter, short leads, long leads with tweezers, and a ground lead or a guard lead. And that's about what it says. Now, I did not get an English PDF manual. This is some sort of an AliExpress package. This is a wideband noise generator. Consists of probably a 12-volt input. Okay, 12 volts. Volts is used to supply these devices down here. I think there's a boost converter here that makes about 25 volts or so. Forward biases this diode. Diodes are typically very noisy. I'm sure this diode was selected for noise generation. And you can see the signal flow is right down here to the output. So I have a wideband noise generator followed by 3 stages of gain. It's a noise generator, or more correctly, a noise source. I'm probably not going to do a video on this. There are a number of videos. I'm Sai Guy. IMSAI Guy has at least 3 videos on this. Very, very descriptive and very accurate. If you're watching my channel at all, you should also watch this guy. If I can remember, I'll put a link in the description below. This thing came from AliExpress. That's the description. It cost $11. I want to know how low it goes. I don't believe these devices are rated below 50 megahertz. But if I find it goes down to a 10 megahertz or so, maybe I'll do a video on it. As I said, there's better ones on YouTube.